welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix NBA the run game crashing or not working, not loading, lagging, freezing, not launching, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to verify the integrity of game files. So for that you have to go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for some time. After that try to launch the game and check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, select your game, under library section right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So from here you have to select the application. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, this time come back and select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection. So click on it, click on allow an app through firewall. After that click on change settings, and from here you have to select the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once the game is added to the list, you have to select it. After that make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't work, come back again, this time type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check whether the problem is resolved or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that go to the search option, search for settings. After that click on Windows update, click on check for updates. Here will get check for updates option. So you have to click on it and wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check whether the game is launching or not. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Now you have to click on it. So click on install. Now click on yes. After that wait for some time. Now once you get set up successful, message closes. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts again, log into the game and check if you can play it. But the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that go to Steam, on the library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall. Finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts again, launch Steam, log into the Steam, and after that reinstall NBA the run game once again and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix NBA the run game crashing at startup, not launching, not working, lagging, freezing, not opening, black screen or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.